Agentic AI is the next evolution. AI agents that work for you 24/7. Here's how to make money with it in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Start with platforms that support Agentic AI, like AutoGPT, Cognisus, or OpenDevon. These tools let you build AI agents that perform multi-step tasks on their own. Step 2. Pick a money-making use case, like lead generation, content scheduling, data scraping, client onboarding, or research automation. Step 3. Train or configure your AI agent to complete real workflows. Prospect, email, and follow up automatically. Collect data and generate reports. Schedule content across platforms. Handle basic customer service tasks. Step 4. Monetize by selling AI task agents to small businesses or solopreneurs, offering monthly automations as a service, running an agency powered by AI agents instead of employees, packaging agents with digital products or SaaS tools. Step 5. Promote with demo videos showing real outcomes and time saved. Step 6. Continuously optimize your agents for better results and upsell more complex automations. In 2025, Agentic AI is like having a team that never sleeps, and people will pay for that power.